Why narcissists never recover over the super empath they destroyed. Most people assume that once narcissist leaves a relationship, they simply move on without looking back. They imagine the narcissist quickly replacing one partner with another and forgetting everything that happened. And on the surface, that often appears to be exactly what is happening. The narcissist seems happy, confident, and completely unaffected by the breakup or emotional damage they caused. But what many people fail to understand is that there is one type of person a narcissist never truly gets over. And that person is the super empath they underestimated, exploited, and ultimately destroyed. A super empath is different from the average person a narcissist encounters. They possess deep compassion, emotional intelligence, patience, and an extraordinary ability to understand people. Unlike most individuals who walk away after repeated mistreatment, the super empath stays longer than they should because they genuinely believe people can change. They see potential where others see dysfunction. They see wounds where others see cruelty. And because of that, they often become the narcissist's favorite source of emotional supply. In the beginning, the narcissist feels incredibly powerful around the super empath. They enjoy being admired, understood, forgiven, and emotionally supported without having to earn it. Every time they make a mistake, the super empath tries to understand them. Every time they create conflict, the super empath searches for solutions. Every time they withdraw affection, the super empath works harder to reconnect. To the narcissist, this feels like unlimited emotional fuel that will never run out. But what the narcissist does not realize is that even the strongest empath has limits. There comes a moment when the super empath finally sees the relationship for what it truly is. They stop focusing on the narcissist's words and start paying attention to their actions. They stop making excuses for behavior that continues to hurt them. And they stop confusing manipulation with love. This awakening does not happen overnight. But when it does happen, it changes everything. The most dangerous thing that can happen to a narcissist is not losing someone who hates them. It is losing someone who genuinely loves them and finally sees through them. Because the super empath knows the narcissist better than almost anyone else. They have witnessed the charm, the insecurity, the manipulation, the emotional games, and the hidden fears beneath the mask. And once the super empath stops believing the performance, the narcissist loses one of the few people who truly understood them. What makes this loss so difficult for narcissists is that replacement never works the way they expect. They may find new relationships. They may receive attention from new people. They may post pictures, seek validation, and create the appearance of happiness. But deep down, they know something is different. Most people can be manipulated for a while. The super empath could connect with them on a level that many others never could. That emotional depth becomes surprisingly difficult to replace. The narcissist often believed the super empath would never leave. They assumed the forgiveness would continue forever. They assumed the patience would never run out. They assumed they could keep taking without ever facing consequences. And that assumption becomes one of their greatest mistakes. Because when the super empath finally walks away emotionally, they do not leave as the same person who entered the relationship. Something changes inside them. The person who once begged for understanding becomes silent. The person who once chased closure stops chasing entirely. The person who once fought for the relationship starts investing their energy into themselves. And that transformation creates something the narcissist cannot easily control. You see, narcissists are accustomed to power. They are accustomed to being the center of someone's emotional world. They are accustomed to knowing they can return whenever they need attention, validation, or reassurance. But when a super empath heals and reclaims their self-worth, that door begins to close. And for the narcissist, that is an incredibly uncomfortable reality. Many narcissists continue checking on former super empaths long after the relationship ends. Sometimes they do it directly through messages or unexpected contact. Other times they do it indirectly through social media, mutual friends, or subtle attempts to stay informed. They want to know if the super empath is still thinking about them. They want to know if they still have emotional influence. And most importantly, they want reassurance that they remain significant. What they often discover is something they never expected. The super empath is no longer waiting. The super empath is no longer seeking validation. The super empath is no longer trapped in the emotional cycle that once controlled them. And that realization creates a wound to the narcissist's ego that is difficult to heal. The irony is that narcissists frequently destroy the very people they needed most. The super empath offered loyalty, understanding, emotional depth, and genuine care. These are qualities that cannot be manufactured or easily replaced. Yet the narcissist becomes so focused on control and power that they fail to appreciate what they have until it is gone. Over time, many narcissists become haunted by comparisons. Every new relationship lacks something the super empath possessed naturally. Every new source of attention feels temporary. Every new connection feels slightly more superficial, and while they may never openly admit it, they often recognize that they lost someone extraordinary through their own behavior. This does not mean the narcissist suddenly becomes self-aware or takes full responsibility. In many cases, they continue blaming others and avoiding accountability. But deep down, there is often a lingering awareness that they destroyed a relationship that could have been different. Not because the super empath was perfect, but because the super empath genuinely cared in a way that is increasingly rare. That is why narcissists never truly recover from losing a super empath they destroyed. It is not simply the loss of a partner. It is the loss of someone who saw beyond the mask, believed in their potential, and loved them despite their flaws. And once that person is gone, they spend years searching for a replacement that never quite feels the same. The super empath eventually learns to heal, rebuild, and move forward. They discover their worth was never dependent on the narcissist's approval. They reclaim the energy that was once spent trying to save someone who refused to save themselves. And while the super empath grows stronger with time, the narcissist often remains trapped in the same patterns that caused the loss in the first place. And that may be the greatest consequence of all. The super empath recovers from the narcissist, but the narcissist never fully recovers from losing the super empath they destroyed.